3 AI video generators, Seedance 2.0 versus HappyHorse versus Kling 3.0. 15 brutal prompts to find out which one is actually the best. Plus, I'm showing you how to unlock unlimited Seedance 2.0 access for a full year. So stay tuned for that, but first, prompt number 1. Here, I will be using image of myself and the viral prompt for a bullet time freeze in a bar. So it's a very interesting prompt and a complicated one. So let's generate with Seedance 2.0, 180p, and here is the result. Here I am, so let's see that.
Perfect.
This is the video created with HappyHorse, which is basically Alibaba's AI video generator.
Perfect.
I mean, it did follow the prompt kind of, but I look too plastic and unrealistic here. And this is Kling 3.0 Omni reference to video.
Perfect.
Now let's try one great VFX video by first creating the reference character sheet in GPT Image 2. So here is the full detailed prompt for that amazing reference sheet. And once we have our character, we can click on Generate Video. Also a very long and a complicated prompt. And this is the video is Seedance 2.0. Now that's next level and also great sound effects. Here is the HappyHorse by Alibaba. It does look nice but too cartoonish. And this is Kling. First part is very nice, but I don't like the ending so much. Now let's test speaking skills in 3 different languages. So we have English, we have Mandarin, and we have Spanish.
You shouldn't have come here tonight. It was a mistake. 你以为你能逃掉吗？别太天真了。Ahora el silencio es lo único que te queda.
The Mandarin translation on English should be, do you think you can escape? Don't be so naive. And translation from Spanish to English should be, now the silence is the only thing left for you. Let me know down in the comments if those are correct. Here is the HappyHorse, and I don't know where did they come up with that name.
You shouldn't have come here tonight. It was a mistake. 你以为你能逃掉吗？别太天真了。Ahora, el silencio es lo único que te queda.
I mean, it's a good job here from HappyHorse. And this is Kling 3.0.
You shouldn't have come here tonight. It was a mistake. 你以为你能逃掉吗？别太天真了。Ahora, el silencio es lo único que te queda.
By the way, I'm creating all these videos on Topview.ai. It's an all-in-one platform for the newest AI models. I use it because it also unlocks unlimited Seedance 2.0, GP2 Image 2 and Nano Banana creations for an entire year on their business and ultra plans. Plus, it has an intelligent AI video agent that can turn a single idea into a full-length video automatically. But let's get back to the AI video battle. Prompt 4 is where things get interesting. We have a tennis with a pinch of humor. Here is our court and we have a referee smoking, which is already a nice start. Let's see.
Channels the police, this is and obtain to really do. Stig rapid points.
Now this is great, and you can clearly notice that Seedance 2.0 trained its model on Rafael Nadal. I would say so.
The police, the then Tain.
Oh yeah, and this is HappyHorse.
He serves with the sourdough! What a rally!
I mean, this was all around. Here going through the net automatically, ball is everywhere. Okay, the guy is smoking here, but not a good result. And this is Kling 3.0. Here we have the referee smoking and also the tennis player, even though not prompted for that. The last frame looks nice with the Baguette, but overall also not a good job from Kling. Now I need to test Storyboard to video because it's a great feature here on Topview.ai. So we have GPT Image 2 to Seedance 2.0, very easy and efficient creation of videos. So here I just need to have a simple description, I don't know, lone bearded scary warrior hunting. No complicated prompt needed for the storyboard creation here inside Topview. So let's generate it. So here's our 3x3 storyboard. Looks nice. I can then just click on generate video. And then a simple prompt, generate a video based on a storyboard at image 1. That's it. And here is the video in Seedance 2.0. It's actually a pretty good job. The lone warrior looks like Leonardo DiCaprio from the movie where he got an Oscar. This is HappyHorse. Now 70% of this video looks fine, but I don't know what happened here. Look at this. So he missed even though standing 1 centimeter away, and then he hit it with the, I don't know, with the branch or something. Yeah, but other parts looks pretty good. Now this is Kling 3.0. The guy in Kling did not hit the animal at all, but ending scene and the character looks most realistic by my opinion here. And I'm staying silent from here on out. No more talking, just raw AI video comparison for the final 10 prompts. You be the judge. Let's dive in.
Every journey begins with quiet confidence, precision in every line, silence that lets the world in, confident when still, striking in motion. The future feels beautiful. Audi Q4 e-tron.
Every journey begins with quiet confidence, precision in every line, silence that lets the world in, striking in motion. The future feels beautiful. Audi Q4 e-tron.
Every journey begins with quiet confidence, precision in every line, Silence that lets the world in. Streaking wind bull, balance power and motion. Audi Future Feels 4 e-tron.
So after 15 prompts, is Seedance still the king? Well, in my opinion, it clearly wins across the board. But HappyHorse is closing the gap, and in some cases it actually looks sharper than Kling 3.0. What do you think though? Let's have a discussion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.